They're not going to make it. They'll need to they put 3 in there.
No, he's outside. Yeah, he's the pusher. What's he got in his hat? That blue thing, what is it?
Right, right is done. Details fixed over here. Just give us a moment.
Oh, I wasn't
Okay, let's hold up that race there. Let's hold up that race there for a minute, if you would.
Tipsy. I just saw them. But how come sometimes they have 4 and sometimes they have 5? Are they fair?
Just a matter of how many for that class. Yeah, because they have different age groups. You have all your different age groups.
Beginner, intermediate, advanced. This is the beginners.
It was 4 and 4.
I'm amazed at what they're doing
Very
this
first
show.
race and then the second race.
I don't know if the third race is 2. I don't know how many.
All right, this race is the intermediate. Number 24, Last Time. Number 13, Wildcats. 21, the Kraken. And 37, Trident.
Second, I think. Third race? Second race?
Gonna get them lined up. And they're off. Trident makes the turn. As well This is probably the fastest time of the day, I would say, for golf.
They know what they're doing.
They did a beautiful job on it.
Isn't it gorgeous? Yes.
Coming in for